Today I am reviewing the Aurzen EAZZE Smart Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with what sets it apart right out of the box: true smart functionality. The EAZZE comes with a built-in smart TV OS, meaning you can dive into your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube without needing any external devices or TV sticks. These aren't just generic third-party apps either. These are officially licensed, giving you reliable access to content in high quality with full app support. Plus, the projector includes its own app store, an open browser, and a customizable My Apps section, so you can personalize your entertainment hub the way you want. Now let's talk about image clarity and screen control. And wow, does this projector deliver? It comes with auto focus, auto keystone correction, auto obstacle avoidance, and auto screen alignment. That's right, no more fiddling with tiny knobs or spending 5 minutes adjusting angles. Just turn it on, and the projector does the work for you, adjusting to give you a perfectly sharp and aligned image, even if your setup isn't perfectly straight. Whether you're projecting onto a wall, a screen, or even a tent while camping, your picture will always be centered, sharp, and vivid. The projector supports zooming between 50% and 100%, so you can adjust your screen size without physically moving the device, a feature many projectors miss at this price point. It projects up to 200 inches, which is huge and perfect for transforming your living room, backyard, or even garage into a full-on home theater. Sound quality is another area where the EAZZE shines. With dual 8-watt speakers, 3D stereo, and Dolby audio support, you're not just watching content, you're immersed in it. Whether it's a car chase, a dramatic score, or a quiet dialogue, every audio nuance is crisp and rich. It honestly sounds better than some budget soundbars I've tested, and that's saying something. In terms of video performance, the projector offers native 1080p resolution, meaning what you see is full HD by default. It also supports 4K content, and while it plays that content downscaled to 1080p, the clarity, contrast, and richness of HDR10 enhancement really stand out. Bright scenes pop, and dark scenes feel deeper and more dramatic. Whether you're watching a nature documentary or a dark, moody action thriller, the picture feels incredibly lifelike. Now let's talk connectivity. The EAZZE supports both 5G and 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring smoother streaming with less lag or buffering. It also includes two-way Bluetooth 5.1, which is a feature I absolutely love. You can either connect your headphones or Bluetooth speaker for more immersive audio, or turn the projector itself into a standalone Bluetooth speaker by pairing it with your phone. Yes, you heard that right. It becomes a giant Bluetooth speaker when you're not using it for visuals. This is especially useful when you're camping or at a party and just want some solid background music without dragging around multiple devices. Compatibility-wise, the projector is future-proof. It comes with one HDMI port, 2 USB ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. So whether you're plugging in a Fire Stick, gaming console, laptop, smartphone, or external hard drive, you're good to go. It's also versatile in how you set it up: tabletop, tripod, ceiling, or wall mount, thanks to the 1/4-inch mounting screw. And finally, let's address the elephant in the room: brightness. While some projectors boast exaggerated lumens that don't reflect reality, Aurzen takes a refreshingly honest approach. This projector delivers 200 ANSI lumens, which, according to industry standards like ISO/IEC2 1118, is equivalent to many projectors claiming 18,000 lumens or even more. In practice, the brightness is ideal for dark or dimly lit rooms and performs surprisingly well outdoors after sunset. So, is the Aurzen EAZZE worth it? If you're looking for a portable, powerful, and smart projector with genuine full HD resolution, Dolby certified audio, flawless screen auto adjustments, and a true smart TV interface with licensed streaming apps, this projector gives you a lot more than what you'd expect at this price point. Whether you're planning movie nights under the stars, giving presentations at work, or setting up a gaming marathon, this projector is built to deliver top-tier performance with ease and style. With over 2,400 reviews and a 4.4 out of 5 rating, the Aurzen EAZZE Smart Projector is not just another budget projector. It's a feature-rich media powerhouse that genuinely lives up to its claims, and that's rare in this space.